Today, I'm going to play Rivals. Okay, so, as always, we get onto the pad. And wait for somebody to come. And I can also find a high win streak player if I want. CNC's in the shooting range. Oh, 1v1v1, that's nice. 1v1v1. Please get on the pad. Someone get on the pad. Why is no one coming to the 1v1s? You know what? Screw this server. I'm going to another one. 15 seconds. Yes. Yes. Someone verse me. Oh no. I'm sorry guys. I'm versing a level 6. Man, station. I can't find anyone on there. This should be only a 2v2 map or something. Because I don't know how this is a 1v1 map. What? Okay, he's better than I thought. Seems to show that he actually earned that 5-win streak instead of versing Noobs. Where's the guy? Grenade jump. It seems to me this is an alt account. No actual level 6. Let's go on. This is not his main. This is not his main account. Yay, take it. Take it. Yes. No. Dirty slug. Take it. Easy. This is so easy. Even though I'm not even trying. Easy. I'm a bit. Okay, I was just joking on the round. Okay, we need to go DL. Because this isn't fair for him. Yay, the grenades, the water balloon's black, just like me. Easy. Okay, I'm just joking. Please don't. Anyways, it's time for my class, so I better get going. So, goodbye guys, have a nice day. Hold on, how do you turn this off?